we're going to do some drawing in Photoshop. We're going to take a look at one of the most powerful elements of Photoshop, which is the Layers panel, and how we can create some really amazing effects. In Photoshop, the Layers panel is in the bottom right corner, and we're going to create an effect where we hand tint the photo so it looks kind of like an old-fashioned picture. The first thing that we need to do is to make the photo into a black and white image. We can desaturate the photo by going to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. That will remove all the color from the photo. Next, we're going to go to the bottom of the image panel and click on a new layer icon. This is a transparent layer. It works a lot like tracing paper. We can tell it's transparent because of the checkerboard pattern. Next, we can go in with a brush tool and we can choose a color, and we can paint right on top using the brush tool. And this looks pretty awful right now. One of the reasons it looks really awful is because it's really solid image and we can't see anything underneath it. We can adjust that a couple of ways, one by going into our brush menu and changing the opacity of the brush to make it more transparent like a watercolor. More global control, though, comes from the Layers panel. One of the powerful things we can do in the Layer panel is adjust the transparency of the entire layer. So here we can reduce the opacity of the layer and make it a tint. And in this way we can paint over a whole image pretty quickly without a lot of skill to create an interesting effect of hand tinting.